I added eggs to cookies. It's delicious. In a blender, add 30 biscuits and eggs. Pour 500 ml of milk and 1 cup of sugar. Blend well until smooth. Comment below where you are watching this from so that I can send you a special hug, and thank you for following our recipes. We'll be super happy. Turn the blender off and put our mixture aside. In a pan on medium heat, add 1 cup of sugar. Keep stirring until the sugar completely melts. Then add half a cup of water. Keep stirring for 2 minutes until the water blends with the sugar, forming the caramel. This is what we want it to be. Pour the caramel into a bundt tin. Using a silicone spatula, spread the caramel across the tin. If you're still watching the video, you're loving our recipe. Then share it with your friends. It'll help us greatly. Pour the mixture inside the blender into the tin. Cover everything with some aluminum foil. Insert the bundt tin into a bigger tin. Fill it with water halfway through it. Now put it into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 90 minutes. Then put it into the fridge for 2 hours. And our recipe is ready. Look how nice our biscuit dessert is. You can tell it's delicious just by looking at it. It's incredibly tasty. This dessert is super easy and perfect for everyone in your family. Try it at home. I'm sure you're gonna love it. I really hope you liked our recipe. I will now check the comments below and thank everyone. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.